tools right here. New exhaust. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. MBRP. And y'all do know I do have a new diffuser I'm gonna be swapping out. But yeah, y'all, we about to go from dual to quad. These are flow masters, y'all. Let's see if y'all can catch it right here. It's from flow master to MBRP. I always get it mixed up. But yeah, y'all, we about to go and get started. I'm gonna take this diffuser off and see what we got going on with this exhaust system.
Hey, run that shit up, Chase. Hey, run that shit up, Chase.
Alright, y'all, I got the diffuser off along with the old exhaust pipes. That's how we looking right now. Go throw on this new diffuser and throw them boards on. Alright, y'all, before I put them on, here's the old one and here's the new one. When you install these, don't forget to take these off, because they do have to go on the new ones.
Hey, run that shit up, Chase.
It's looking real good.
Hey, run that shit up, Chase. Hey, run that shit up, Chase.
Alright, y'all, I only got the other side on. I just went on skip through it because I know y'all don't want to see it. But here's how it's looking. Looking good. I'm gonna give y'all a quick start up. Let's hit y'all down real quick. Yes, sir, y'all. So, hey, dang, man, I need a chop, bro. God, ooh, I ain't nothing. You know what, y'all probably already see a little bit, but hey, I am not gonna let y'all see this head of mine, cause this is ridiculous. I need to go get me a chop, like, ASAP. But man, hey, if them joints sounding good back there, hey, y'all smash that like button for you, boy, and hit them comments up. Let me get your input, or you know, your opinion, how they sound. Yeah, go on smash that like button for your boy. If you haven't already, go on subscribe to your boy, and most definitely turn your notification bell on so you can get a notification for when I post a new video. Because hey, I'm just getting started. I'm gonna tell you that now. I'm just getting started. But I'm finna go get my eat on, and I'm gonna catch y'all in this video.